In this video, we're going over the installation of the AeroSun VXi Position light. Tools needed include the following: a pick, a drill, a 100-degree countersink bit, both a 1/8 and 7/64 drill bit, Dremel, pop rivet tool, clecos, needle nose pliers, and a squeeze rivet tool. Use a Dremel to smooth out the inner edge of the mounting surface. Place the light onto the wing and use a 1/8 drill bit to mark the first hole location. Use the cleco to secure the light into place, and then drill the second hole. Repeat this process for all 4 mounting holes. Remove the clecos. Locate the mount from kit 72. Use the cleco to fasten the mount onto the wingtip. Use the 7/64 drill bit to drill 2 clearance holes. Remove the clecos. Use a drill press to countersink the mount as shown. Pull the nut plates in the 3/32 rivets from kit 72. Use the cleco to fasten the nut plate to the mount. Insert the rivet through the plate and use the squeeze rivet tool to fasten the assembly. Repeat this process to fasten all 4 nut plates to the mount. Place the mount and nut plate assembly into the wingtip. Use the pick to center the mount and lift the mount using the needle nose pliers. Use the clecos to fasten the mount onto the wing. Use the pick to center the mount. Locate both 3/32 countersink pop rivets from kit 72. Now use the pop rivet tool to fasten the plate to the wingtip. Now let's remove both clecos. Feed the wires through the wingtip opening and position the light into place. Locate all 4 number 4 screws from kit 62. Use the pick to center the light, then fasten the light using all 4 screws. This concludes the installation of the VXi Position light. Thanks for watching.